particle theory. In science, there are lots of things that are considered to be different particles. And particles come in a multitude of different sizes, everything from microscopic to humongous kinds of sizes of particles. But we're going to talk about particle theory today in terms of shape and how things fit in. And sometimes there are unusual ways to think about how those fit. Think about all the particles that you have in your body and how you would fit all of those in one particular size. And obviously, everybody's body is not the same size nor the same shape, and so particle theory is sort of an interesting thing to look at visually. So, I have a cup of rice, just regular cooking rice that you would use at home. And I have just a beaker here, a clear beaker, so that you can see the results. And I'm going to put a cup of rice in my beaker. And then I'm going to see how many ping pong balls I can fit in this as well. So with my cup of rice, and obviously you could have made some hypothesis about how many things I can fit in here. And looks like I can get 4 ping pong balls if I stack them on top. If I talk about just what fits in the cup, then we're only talking about 1. Now, what about if you look at this a different way? What about if the ping pong balls go in first and then the rice? So let's start with 3. And then let's see how much rice we can get in there. So, again, the size of particles is the same with both experiments, but the way they are arranged has lots to do with how much you can get in there. Okay, so now I have 3 ping pong balls. I have my whole cup of rice within my container, and if I wanted to be clever about it, I can even put a couple more up here at the top and make 6, maybe even 7. I guess I better stick with 6, all from the same 2 materials. So not only does it have to do with the size of particles, but it also has to do with the configuration of how those particles are arranged. That has to do with particle theory.